Why isn't my Facebook app refreshing automatically?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a common issue with the Facebook app. Many users often wonder why their Facebook app doesn't refresh automatically. If you're experiencing this problem too, don't worry, because we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and explore the possible reasons behind this issue and how you can fix it.
Is your app up to date?
One of the first things you should check is whether your Facebook app is up to date. Facebook regularly releases updates to improve the app's performance and fix any bugs or issues. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. You can do this by visiting your device's app store and searching for Facebook. If an update is available, simply tap on the Update button.
Check your internet connection.
Another factor that can affect the automatic refreshing of your Facebook app is your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a different network or restarting your router. If you're using mobile data, check your signal strength and consider toggling airplane mode on and off. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent the app from refreshing automatically.
Review your app settings.
Sometimes, the problem lies within the app settings. Open your Facebook app and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Notifications and Sounds, or News Feed Preferences, section, where you can customize your app's behavior. Check if the Auto Refresh, or Refresh Interval, option is enabled. If it's disabled or set to a longer time interval, enable it or adjust the interval to a shorter time frame, such as every 15 minutes. This should ensure that your Facebook app refreshes automatically at regular intervals.
Clear cache and data.
If your Facebook app still doesn't refresh automatically, it might be due to accumulated cache or corrupted data. Clearing the app's cache and data can often resolve such issues. Go to your device's settings, find the Apps or Applications section, and locate the Facebook app. Tap on it and then select Storage or Storage and Cache. From there, you can clear the cache and data of the app. Keep in mind that clearing data will log you out of the app, so you'll need to sign in again.
Reinstall the app.
If none of the previous solutions work, you can try reinstalling the Facebook app. Sometimes, a fresh installation can resolve any underlying issues that were affecting the automatic refreshing feature. Uninstall the app from your device, visit the App Store, search for Facebook, and reinstall it. Once the app is installed, sign in with your credentials, and check if the automatic refreshing is working as expected. And there you have it. We've explored some common reasons why your Facebook app might not be refreshing automatically and provided some solutions to fix the issue. Remember to check if your app is up to date, review your app settings, ensure a stable internet connection, clear cache and data if needed, and consider reinstalling the app as a last resort. Hopefully, these steps will help you get your Facebook app back to refreshing automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.